Welcome to my channel. I hope all our viewers are doing well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply a nutritional spray to fruit trees to enhance their growth, improve fruit quality and protect them from disease. Proper nutrition is essential for healthy trees and spraying is one of the best way to provide the necessary nutrition. It helps trees absorb essential nutrition directly through their leaves, improve fruit size, color and taste, strengthen trees against pests and disease. The ideal time for spraying is early morning or late afternoon to avoid evaporation. Avoid spray when raining is expected within few hours. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.